Silver isn't just a precious metal. It is in high demand across industries and growing economies. As middle classes expand in countries like China and India, this demand can influence silver's long-term value. Silver has always been more than just coins or jewelry. Its incredible conductivity and versatility make it essential for electronics, medical devices, and renewable energy technology. But here's something many investors overlook. As nations like China and India see more citizens able to afford products using silver, demand is rising. This industrial and consumer driven growth can provide upward pressure on silver's value over time. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains how these global trends, combined with silver's historical role as a reliable investment, make it a powerful addition to a diversified retirement portfolio. You're not just investing in a metal, you're tapping into an asset with growing practical demand worldwide. The Why Precious Metals Guide is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Company Integrity Checklist and Silver Scheme Report, all designed to give you a comprehensive view before making any investment decisions. I've linked this guide in the description. If you want to see how global trends and industrial demand could make silver a strategic part of your retirement plan, download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle. It's free, easy to understand, and packed with insights to help you invest with confidence. You can find the link in the description.